Hi, Group B. It's time for SIPs. We are on lesson extension 3. Please have your binders ready. And let's get started. We're going to start off with blending. K, p, s. Blend. Cups. G, s. Blend. Grass. D, p. Blend. Drip. P, s. Blend. Hops. D, s. Blend. Dress. Some of the letters of the alphabet are vowels and some are consonants. The 5 letters that are always vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. We call all the other letters consonants. What do we call these letters? Yes, vowels. What do we call all the other letters? Yes, consonants. Let's practice. I'll point to each letter and you tell whether it is a vowel or a consonant. Here we go. Ready? Good. If you said that A, I, U, E, O, and A are vowels, you are correct. All the other letters are consonants. Good. Okay. We're going to play a listening game. I'll say a sound and you tell me which short vowel it is. For example, I'll say I as in sit and you say short I. A as in cat. Short. A as in mud. Short. E as in let. Short. I as in mitt. Short. A as in hot. Short. Yes, if you said short O, that is correct. We have some new sounds. I'm going to read this sentence. I have underlined our new sounds. She grabbed the drumstick. New sound is gur and dur. Read it with me. Ready, read. She grabbed the drumstick. Okay, here's our next new sound. Bring the dishes. Es. E-S says es. Read it with me. Bring the dishes. 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 Okay. Boys and girls, we have 1 dish, 2 dishes. We add S to the end of words when we are talking about more than one, but we use ES with words that end in SS, ZZ, CH or TCH. We add ES to words that end in X and we add ES to words that end in SH. So there's a special rule to add when we're adding S to words to make them plural. We have to add ES to words that end in S, Z, TCH or CH, X, and SH. Let's practice. Ready? Read. Ready? Read. Notice how they add ES because there's a double S. Ready? Read. Ready? Read. They added an ES because the word ends in double Z. Ready? Read. Ready? Read. We added an ES because the word ends in TCH. Ready? Read. Ready? Read. Okay, last word. Read. Ready? Read. Good. So we add ES to the end of words that end in S, Z, TCH, CH, X, or SH. Let's practice reading and decoding our list here. I'll say ready, you read in your mind, then read, and then sounds. Ready, read, 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 sounds. Go ahead and pause the video and practice reading this list. Notice they added ES to the end of brush because it ends in SH. Notice they added ES to the word miss because it ends in SS. Go ahead and pause this and practice reading these words as well. These are decodable words. Okay. We have three new sight words. I underlined them in our sentences. Listen. You take one apple and I will take the other. The sight word is other. Read, spell. Read with me. Ready, read. You take one apple and I will take the other. Here's our next sight word. Listen. His mother brought him to school. The word is mother. Read, spell. Read the sentence with me. Ready, read. His mother brought him to school. The word is mother. Last new sight word. Listen to the sentence. His brother is tall. The sight word is brother. Read, spell. Read. practice all of our sight words. All right. Ready, read. Brother, spell. Read. Read. Mother, read, spell. Read. Other, read, spell. Read. Okay. Read. 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 Let's practice our sounds. Sound. 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 There's that ES. We says as. Bring the dish as. Sound. 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 Don't forget, boys and girls, you have this paper in your binder where you can practice your sounds. It's a two-sided. Have your parents help you if you're not sure about some of the sounds. Okay, boys and girls, it's time to read our story together. We are on lesson 3. Go ahead and pause the video if you need time getting your binder ready. Okay. In our last chapter about Ron and Lab, and this is our last chapter about Ron and Lab, we'll find out what they do at home. Okay, let's read the title together. Ready, read. The Helping Dog, Chapter 3, Lab Can Play. Ready, read. Lab and Ron are back from Ron's job. Ron puts down his pack and gets the straps off Lab. Read. Then Ron gets Lab his dish. Yum! Lab licks his dish. Then he gets a drink. Read. You can play, says Ron. Read. Lab has a sock, which he likes to tug on with Ron. He is strong. He will not let go. When Ron gets the sock, Lab grabs it from Ron's hand. Read. Then Lab sits on Ron's lap. Ron says, "You are my Lab on a lap. You are the best dog. I can trust you, and you are fun." Ron hugs Lab. Read. Ron says, "Stand still." Ron brushes Lab with a dog brush. He pats him. Read. Then Ron goes to bed. He has Lab's rug next to his bed. Lab stretches and then rests on the rug. Read. When Lab helps Ron see, Lab is not a pet. But when he plays with Ron, he is a pet.